Imagine pulling into a campsite and every single person just stops what they're doing, mouths wide open, staring at what you're driving. That's exactly the kind of reaction the brand new 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is going to get. Because this thing doesn't just look futuristic. It looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie and into real life. Just look at it. The exterior alone is a showstopper. It's massive, but not in a bulky, boxy way. The lines are sculpted and aerodynamic, almost like a luxury yacht on wheels. The front fascia is sharp and aggressive with those signature Mercedes LED strips that stretch across the windshield like futuristic eyebrows. And then there's the bodywork. Smooth, seamless panels with subtle curves, a triple rear axle for strength and stability, and a paint finish so clean it reflects light like a mirror in the showroom. It doesn't look like any RV you've ever seen. It looks like a supercar's big brother decided to go camping. Step inside, and honestly, it feels less like a motorhome and more like stepping into a private jet designed by Mercedes. The living area sets the tone right away. Imagine dropping onto a cream-colored leather sofa with diamond stitching and even built-in massage functions, while a gigantic curved 85-inch OLED screen floats in front of you. The lighting is soft and golden, coming from hidden LEDs in the ceiling, and the whole space feels like a lounge where you'd sip champagne at 40,000 feet. Every detail is thought out, from walnut side tables with wireless charging pads to a marble bar cart with its own glowing mini fridge. It's basically an S-Class Mercedes turned into a rolling living room. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, but can you actually cook in this spaceship? And the answer is absolutely. The kitchen is pure luxury minimalism. Black quartz countertops, a full suite of Miele appliances, even a hidden herb garden tucked under the cabinets. It's the kind of kitchen that makes you want to cook, even if you're not a chef. And of course, because this is Mercedes, everything is automated, touchless, and wrapped in premium finishes. Brushed nickel, dove gray lacquer, and even carbon fiber. You get a breakfast bar with plush stools, so your friends can sip coffee while you whip up something fancy. When it's time to wind down, the bedroom is something else. Mercedes didn't just put in a bed, they designed an entire sanctuary. A king-size platform bed with Egyptian cotton sheets, a star-field ceiling that actually twinkles above you, and walls draped in velvet so you feel completely cocooned. The sound system is built right into the headboard, and even the nightstands are futuristic, with wireless earbuds and charging docks ready to go. It's quiet, it's private, and it's the kind of place where you'd wake up forgetting you're even inside a vehicle. And then there's the bathroom, which, let's be real, is usually the least glamorous part of any RV. Not here. This feels like a spa suite at a five-star hotel. You've got a freestanding soaking tub with chromotherapy lights, a rain shower with eucalyptus steam mist, and marble flooring with underfloor heating so your toes never get cold. The whole place is lit with rose gold vanity lights that make you look good, no matter how tired you are after a long drive. Honestly, it makes most hotel bathrooms look outdated. Of course, all this luxury would be pointless if the motorhome couldn't perform. And this is where Mercedes really flexes its engineering. Underneath the sleek design, you've got a powertrain that's part diesel hybrid, part electric, giving you the torque you need to haul all that luxury while keeping it efficient and surprisingly quiet on the road. The triple-axle setup gives it stability like a train on tracks, and advanced driver assist tech makes piloting this beast way less intimidating than it looks. Think adaptive cruise, lane assist, automatic leveling when you park. The kind of stuff that makes long-distance driving feel effortless. And yeah, you're probably wondering about the price. Well, as you can imagine, something that combines a luxury supercar's DNA with a private jet's interior and the functionality of a five-star hotel on wheels isn't coming cheap. Early reports suggest the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is going to start well into the $1 million range. possibly around 2 million, depending on customization. But here's the thing. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement. It's for people who don't just want to travel. They want to travel in a way that no one else on the road can match. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome isn't trying to compete with traditional RVs. It's rewriting what the future of travel looks like. It's the idea that you don't have to choose between adventure and luxury. You can have both, seamlessly, on 4 wheels. And honestly, whether you're a motorhome enthusiast like me or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge design, this thing is going to make you stop and dream about the road trip of a lifetime. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate road companion or just over-the-top luxury? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I'm dying to hear whether you'd take this rolling palace out for a weekend getaway or just park it in your driveway and show it off to the neighbors. Either way, one thing's for sure. The future of motorhomes has never looked this good.